Every year, people volunteer to climb thousands of steps as part of the fight for air climb for the American Lung Association. So joining me now is Damian Solorzano. And Damian, you've done this event before, but it sounds like you have a more meaningful reason to be doing this stair climb this year. Tell us about that.
Yes, Mackenzie, I do. This is my third year doing the Fight for Air Climb, and actually my reason has been the same every year to support patients with lung disease, including my father. Unfortunately, he passed near the end of 2020, so this year I'm doing it in his memory.
Wonderful. And I know you're a respiratory therapist, and part of the money from this event goes towards, lung cancer research as well as the COVID Action Initiative. Tell us what you saw during COVID, being in the hospital, and why it's so important to pay attention to lung health right now.
Yeah, health in general is so important right now, and lung health and what American Lung Association does to promote research, especially right now with COVID-19, is beyond important. What I saw at the bedside was intense. 20 years of being a respiratory therapist, I saw things I'd never seen before, ventilator settings I'd never used before. Intense is the best word I can use without getting too graphic.
Can you tell us too, what is this stair climb like? Is it fun? Is it challenging? What's it like for you?
It's both, right? It's both fun and challenging. Obviously, you want to move quickly. The first year I did it, my goal was just to not stop. And then obviously, because you're exerting yourself, via your cardiorespiratory system, you get naturally shorter breath, right? So that's why it's called the Fight for Air Climb. And so it gives you a little bit of a feeling of what lung patients go through every day. And so me climbing 2,000 steps was the equivalent of my dad really walking to the front door in that shortness of breath that he felt. So it gives you an awareness, but yet puts it into a fun, even competitive type of an event.
Wonderful. That's really neat. And a neat way to put it into perspective to kind of understand what people go through. Why should our members of our community participate in this? Why do you suggest people sign up?
I've got several reasons, but really it's important. We really need to get the research done for all lung diseases. Obviously COVID-19 has been the headline of the last 2 years. And obviously we need to get a grasp on managing those patients that struggle, not just acutely, but continue to struggle chronically afterwards. And so just being able to raise funds and awareness for that. Obviously, the other reasons that it's important is really in general, it's an athletic event. And so for me, it's promoting something that's healthy, right? Moving your body, exercising is healthy. And with so much of this pandemic and COVID-19, being heavily influenced by comorbidities, right? Like overweight and obesity and diabetes, I think it's just important to promote healthy events. And then lastly, just to support our frontline healthcare workers. The name of our team is RT Strong, and we're primarily a team of respiratory therapists. And I just really want to promote advocacy for our group, and just a big thank you for all the work that they're doing on the front lines.
Absolutely. That's a big thing this year and just always. So thank you guys for your work too, and good luck on your stair climb there.
Thank you.
Great. And so this event is actually May 8th. It'll take place at Coors Field, and we'll have more information about the event and how you can sign up on our website, cbsdenver.com.